Tiny.
They say you just
What's the
slide
word?
this off.
What we doing?
Replacing this.
What is this called?
Chin spoiler, I think.
Okay.
It probably got several different names.
Yeah, this is the stock one, huh?
Yeah. I mean, don't really. Hey y'all, Tiny here, Tiny and Tall. I got my helmet. I don't know if you remember Tall telling you about it, but this is, let's see, it has the size in here, extra large, if you can see. This is an extra large. Let's see if you can see that. Make sure y'all see that. Extra large, okay? And I wear a small. I already have one of these. I have them in white, and I have a small. So I know this will definitely not fit me. So what I'm about to do is take this padding out, and I'm gonna put this padding in. Okay? So this is padding for, as you could probably see right here, helmet, small size. So I'm about to put this padding in, replace it. Okay, let's see about how to take this padding out. Looks like it's pretty easy, like it pops out. Oh, look, see? Just pops right out. Go through the straps. That's one side cheek. It's to this side. Make sure y'all can see. Okay, that one came right out. Let's see what we got in this bag here. Looks like we're gonna replace the top part. I don't know if y'all can see that. And here's the cheeks. Okay, so let's see how to take this out. So we take this out. I'm assuming it's gonna be the same. Okay, so this part's just like sliding out. Okay, that popped right out. All right, so we gotta take this out. This is that little charging piece. And then, you know, it's black, so I don't know if y'all can really see it, but it looks like something needs to come or hook off right there too, and right here. But let's go to the front. Oh. Boom. I think the hardest part is gonna be putting this in. So clearly, this is gonna be the front. And it's gonna go like this, I believe. Yeah. So pull these out. Pull these straps out. Make sure y'all can see. Okay. Let's go this way. Yeah, looks about right. Are we clipping like that? Yeah, so we flip this. So like this is flipped this way. Looks like we're gonna flip it that way. And looks like we got like some holes here, here, and here. I don't know if you can really see because it's black, but I'm gonna click them in. So let's see here. First hole. See if that clicks in there.
Minutes later. More moments later. Damn!
Try the middle one. Maybe the middle one will be easier. Okay. That one's locked in. So let's try these other two. Okay, that one's in there. Just lock this bad boy in. So yeah, there's like 3 points of contact. Oh, that one's in there. Okay, so now we gotta get the rest of this in. So we know for sure this goes through that hole. And this should lock in here somewhere. We gotta figure that out. Let me get back to y'all. All right, so I think I got this first one and I just like popped it in. It doesn't really make the most sense to me, but let's see. It's like it's sliding in there. Everything's so black, so it might be hard to see. It's black on black on black. All right, we got it in. You kind of just gotta feel around and put it in. It's the weirdest thing, you know. I don't know how to describe it. It's just the weirdest thing. It kind of folds into place. All right, so we gotta put the cheek pads on. So we see there's 3 points of contact here. That's usually like how I like to figure things out. Oh, also, remember the little charger is right here, so that's gonna slide right in this slot right here. It goes in this little slot. And that's how you go charging it. Okay, so let's figure this out. I would assume it would go like this. This makes the most sense to me. This one doesn't make sense going this way, so that's gonna be that side. This is definitely gonna be this side. Again, it is black, so you might not be able to see it, but there's a hole right here. I'm gonna slide this part of this strap into the hole. Slid that in there. And then we just gotta pop. We got these little holes here. I'm gonna line them up. Hole, hole. So let's just pop. Pop. And this one. Pop. Okay. That wasn't that bad. It's pretty easy. There we go. All right, y'all. So now I'm about to take this clear, you know, fishbowl looking visor off, and I'm gonna put this one on. This one is tinted. It's got like a better look. See it? Looks better to me. So let's go about taking this off. So if you pull this up all the way like that, pull this down. See this little lever here? And then you pop it. Sounds aggressive, but it works. And then we're just gonna pop these, align these up and pop them in. So it's on now. Looks better though. I have a couple more things to put on. Let's see. You get a Cena helmet. It comes with a little extra, what do you call it? Microfoam covers. They give it extra run, so you just put that on there. But look, we got the padding in, and we got this on. And I got one more thing. I'm not about to put it on. I'm about to kind of like demonstrate how I'm gonna put it on, but I haven't decided where to put these. I got these little girly things, you know, braids to put on it. And I was playing with it earlier. I did clean it with rubbing alcohol. I feel like you should clean both of these, rubbing alcohol and your helmet. But it says it should just stick on. Basically, you just put it on and you're gonna flip this down. It's gonna suction. So let's see. That didn't work. Let's try it again. There you go. That one's on. I don't think it will stick because I did try it earlier before I put the video on, and it kind of came off real easily, but they do send you these things to stick on there. So let's see here. See, so it does hold, but again, if I like bump this or pull on this plastic, I feel it's gonna come off right away. Let's do a test fit real quick. I think it came out good, y'all. Let's get this light out your way. It's a little bright. But yeah, I think it came out good. I think she looked great. You know? It looks girly. All right, y'all. Chin spoiler next. Gone.
Tiny.
They say you just
What's the
slide
word?
this off.
What we doing?
Replacing this.
What is this called?
Chin spoiler, I think.
Okay.
It probably got several different names.
Yeah, this the stock one, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing ugly.
I mean, you don't really, like, it's not really protecting nothing.
No, I just like it's an ugly piece of plastic too.
Yeah.
Pop it.
Oof.
Looks like the rubber pieces came. Yeah.
Yeah, they came off. So we're supposed to use these pieces still. So we gotta take these off.
Okay.
Probably can come off with this, huh?
Yeah, you can probably pop them out like that. Oh, that one popped right out.
Look at
real
that.
Quick. What
It's
the
a
hell
nest.
is that?
It's
That's disgusting.
a spider nest.
Oh, it is, huh?
For sure it is.
Nasty.
It might be dormant, but it's a spider nest.
Wow, we gotta get that out. Other way, right?
It goes in this way.
Do it? Because you just put, I think it go the other way. Other way.
Why would it go that way?
Because it came out that way.
No, it was on here, right?
Yeah.
And
like
this was like this, right?
Like this.
So it was like this. No, it's this
No.
way. It was this
No.
way.
Then how would it come out?
It was this way.
No. Oh.
Baby,
Uh-oh.
it was on here like this.
And it came out
Okay, all right.
Oh!
Whatever.
See?
You want to do this?
No.
You want to do it?
You got it.
Because you could do it.
Whatever.
I believe in you.
Yeah, it was on this way. You're right.
Okay, one in. Two in. Okay. Yeah, pop it out with the little thing. Okay, done and done. We're done
And
with
then
ugly
this
thing.
one from the picture, this way.
Yep. And that go right here in this hole.
Yeah,
That's a little harder, huh?
a little bit, but that's how we got this, right?
Oh, that thing tight. Hold on.
Got it?
No, that thing tight. It's gonna take you some finagling.
Yeah, it's gonna take a little hot minute. Golly.
You getting it?
Not yet. Just keep trying.
All right, you wipe it off now.
Okay.
All right, we got it there. She just needs some man strength, you know?
Yeah.
Go ahead and wipe that out too, since we're here. Yeah, get a little wipe down.
Yeah, it might get a little
here.
clean real quick, huh?
Yeah, get a little clean since we're here. We might not be under here in a while.
Yeah.
You gonna keep this? You gotta clean that thing off. All right. Tiny is a fit, but now we gotta figure out what else you gonna order next, huh, Tiny?
I want a seat.
Nah, that's probably gonna be a long time, you know?
I want a seat though.
That's too expensive.
I
now.
want a seat.
Hold on, make sure.
And some grips.
Oh, let me see. Matter of fact, let me show y'all. She basically got like little push pins. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And that
1,
goes.
2, 3.
All right, now then you take, hold on.
So let's line up these bottom ones first.
Yeah, top goes in. Boop. Boop. Oh, it's in there? Yeah, it's in there. It
think it's
don't
in
give
there?
you no boop, though.
It don't give you no boop.
Yeah, it
No
don't.
satisfactory little boop, but
Oh,
it's in
that's
there.
nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's sturdy. Oh, yeah, that look good. That look better than that, for real. That look good.
Yeah.
Yeah, check that out.
Yeah, it looked better than it did.
Yeah.
And it's actually something covering it.
Yeah, because this one was the one that came with.
Like, what's that doing?
Just a waste.
What's that for? Looks?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for looks. This
Alright.
Let's actually do something.
All right.
They have some that go a little higher too.
Yeah,
but
but
this
we didn't
one-
think about that one.
I didn't even think about it. I saw this one and I liked it. And
Yeah.
plus, I liked the price. It was cheap.
Yeah. All right.
You know?
What you
I'll
gotta
always
tell?
get another one later.
All right, I'm gonna let Tiny close this out. Let's cook.
All right, look at that. Came out nice. So that's it, that's all. So I can get something else. I would like to get a seat. They are costly though. And some grips, because these grips really gotta go. They might come first. They gotta go.
Yeah, that didn't come first.
Yeah, I think that's gotta come first. They gotta go.
For sure, I forgot about grips.
All right, y'all.
You need grips.
That's it and that's all.